Installing ScripTouch Remote with ScripTouch Sign and Save on Windows. Step 1. Downloading ScripTouch Remote. Open a browser and navigate to scriptel.com/support/downloads. Scroll down the page and click the Download Now button for the ScripTouch Sign and Save includes ScripTouch Remote package. Step 2. Installing ScripTouch Remote. Once the download finishes, run the installer. Click Install to begin the installation. The User Account Control dialog may appear. If it does, click Yes. Click Next. Read and agree to the End User License Agreement. Click Next. Choose a custom installation if desired. Click Next. Click Install to begin the installation. When the installation has completed, click Finish. ScripTouch Remote is now installed. If you are having problems with Scriptel products, please contact our customer support by email support@my.scriptel.com, by phone 844-972-7478.